Or the easiest way to do it, calculators, right? Okay, so I'm going to look at my original problem, -3/2, and please get used to putting fractions in parentheses in these calculators. Okay, again, when you go to Algebra 2, where things start getting really complicated, you have to put fractions in parentheses. So you might as well get used to it now. So I'm going to put my parenthesis, -3 divided by 2 times, we don't really need a time symbol there because we're doing parentheses, -6 divided by 5. And just hit enter. Now I get a decimal, right? And these calculators, you can change that decimal back into a fraction. Just hit math, enter, enter, and you get 9/5. Okay. So 3 different ways to do these. And the reason why I show your calculators, I don't know how to say calculator. I have to say calculator. One of 3 ways. I don't care. You're not going in a halt. No reason. Okay, how do I multiply a whole number times a fraction? That's right, put it over 1. Okay, either put it in a calculator or multiply across and simplify. -2 times 1 is -2. 1 times 3 is 3. Simplified, I'm done. Number 7 has 3 fractions, right? 3/5 times -2/5 times -5/5. No, I only have 2 negatives. I have 2 negatives and a positive. Okay, so a negative times a negative is positive. Positive times a positive is positive. So my answer is going to be a positive. 3 times 2 is 6 times 5 is 30. Good. 100. Good. Yep. You know what? Since these are both multiples of 10, just cancel out that 0. I get 3/10. Yep, you can just leave it at 3/10. Oh, it feels great to have your shoes. Watch somebody like pull the fire alarm and scramble to put our shoes on. Mine are Velcro. Exactly. I don't know how to tie shoes. Worksheet 1. Let's do number 11. I have 1/5 times -1/4 times 1/2. If I have a positive times a negative is a negative, times a positive is going to be a negative. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, so no simplification needed. 5 times 2 is 20, times 2 is 40. Good job, Trey. I can do anything, I'm a teacher. How about how about 13? Now I have 4 fractions to multiply. I have negative 3 over 1 times negative 1/3 times 5/3 times 4/3. Quiet, please. Quiet, please. Quiet, please. Quiet, please. Okay, is it 20? Okay, so I got a negative times a negative is a positive times a positive times a positive is positive, so I don't have to worry about the sign. 3 times 1 is 3, times 5 is 15, times 60, right? Negative 3 times 1 is 3, or negative 1 is positive 3 times 5 is 15, times 4 is 60. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. Now, you can simplify this, or calculator. Let's see, 60 divided by 27. And then I'm going to hit the math key, enter, enter. I get 29. I'm going to do one more. And I'm going to do it the easy way. 15. Negative 5 times 2 times negative 5/4 times 3/5. Enter. I get a decimal at math. Enter, enter, 15 halves. I'm going to sneeze. Went away. Hey!